If your Joy-Con lights up when you press a button but doesn't respond or connect, it's usually due to pairing issues, wireless faults, or hardware problems like ribbon cables or capacitors. Here's how to fix it step by step. Let's get into it. Solution 1. Restart and power cycle your Joy-Con. Hold down the power button on top of your Switch for about 15 seconds to force it off. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again for 3 seconds to turn it back on. Now detach both of your Joy-Cons by pressing the release button on the back and sliding it upward. On the inner edge of the Joy-Con, find the small round sync button in the middle. Press it once to turn off the Joy-Con, then hold it down for 5 seconds to power cycle it. Now go to Controllers menu from your Nintendo Switch home screen. Open Change Grip/Order. Then keep pressing L plus R button or SL and SR button to adjust your preferred grip order. Lights should stay on, but now try using buttons or sticks to confirm full functionality. Solution 2. Update controllers and Switch. Go to System Settings. Scroll down to System. Now select System Update. Make sure your Switch is on the latest firmware. Then go back to Controllers and Sensors and select Update Controllers. This will install any available firmware updates for your Joy-Cons, which often fixes syncing problems. Solution 3. Test on another console or Joy-Con. Attach your Joy-Con to a different Switch if you have one. If controllers work properly there, it may be a console side rail issue. Likewise, test a known working Joy-Con on your problematic Switch. This helps isolate whether the issue is the Joy-Con or console rail. Now these were just some solutions you could try using yourself to resolve the problem, but for deep internal faults, seek professional help or use Nintendo support. In any case, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want more tips on your console gaming. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.